Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where at the time of this recording we are seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2. And we have also continued to obey this ABC corrective structure, which we also expected to see in the formation of that wave 2. And before I get further into the technical analysis, to give you the short-term scenarios here on the Polygon Matic chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after seeing our low at around the $0.32 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upper side, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where we saw that 5-wave move to the upside in a move that gave us a peak at around the $1.3 mark, and also completed the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And having peaked in the formation of that first wave, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and this is the move that is playing out at the moment here on the Polygon Matic chart. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $0.8098 mark and the $0.5289 mark, which is the area highlighted here on the chart using this yellow target area. And it is within this yellow target area that I'm expecting Polygon Matic to put in place the low for this second wave. And because of the corrective nature in the formation of that wave 2, I have also been expecting to see an ABC corrective structure also play out, where we have this ABC corrective structure where I'm terming this as the wave A. Then we saw the formation of that overshooting wave B in a move that gave us a peak at around the $1.57 mark. And I'm now expecting one more leg down in the formation of that wave C. And because of the impulsiveness in the formation of this wave C, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation. And to give you a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave C, we can term this as a wave 1. Then we saw that as a wave 2. And whatever we saw right here was an impulsive wave 3 to the lower side in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.83 mark. And there are chances that we might see a bit of a bounce in the formation of that wave 4 before we can continue with our impulsive move to the lower side in the formation of that wave 5 to fully maximize our yellow target area and also put in place the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2 to the lower side. So there are chances that Polygon Matic might give us a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of this wave 4 in a move that should not get into the wave 1 territory, which lies at around the $0.9755 mark. So in case we see a bit of a bounce, we need to continue holding below the $0.9755 mark in the formation of that wave 4 before we can proceed further down in the formation of this wave 5 to fully maximize our yellow target area in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Polygon Matic chart. And we also need to have in mind that we are also holding above a key area of support at around the $0.784 mark. And for us to fully maximize our yellow target area, we need to lose that key area of support so that we can fully maximize our target area. So in case further breakdown continues, we first need to watch that key area of support at around the $0.784 mark, because there are chances at some point it might first give us support, then maybe give us a bit of a bounce before we continue further down in the formation of that wave C. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Polygon Matic chart. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 28 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.